Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, do you have a folding trike and maybe a folding bike and you're looking for a way to transport it? Well, over at hitchrackpro.com, we have this SD 3265 rack, and it's capable of hauling a small style folding e-trike as well as a medium size up to a medium size folding bike. So check it out. We have the electric XP trike right here. Both the 500 and the 750 will work. But there's also, you have the Velatric Triker, which is a small style trike, and also Mooncool, such as the TK1, possibly the TK2, I'm not sure, the Pro. Those are all smaller style folding trikes. Well, if you fold it up and you stick it on our 3265 rack right here, you can see the front tire is sitting up here on the side rail just a little bit, but you secure it down with a couple of these ratchet straps that we have. We sell those as well on the website. Then you can secure this, and it's pretty tight on there. Then if you happen to have, oh, let me point this out too. You have to take the front basket off because the front basket just sticks out way too far with the headlight. And so in this configuration, that front basket's going to be in your way. If you move the trike to this side, well, that front basket's going to be a problem for you right here. So remove the front basket. But then we have this Ingway. This is the EP2. And it's the 3.0 version. Right there it is. Yeah, so we've got that folded up. And this is a pretty big size bike. You know, this isn't a small folding bike. This is a pretty big bike. We've got it folded up on here. And you can see again, we've got two straps on it. We got a strap on this side. We have a strap going to this other side over here. And there's still plenty of room. We're getting real close to the gate. We've got about 4 or 5 inches here. Got to be careful with the handlebars up here. They're a little close right up here. But grabbing this guy, look, it wants to wiggle just a little bit back and forth, not much at all. So the point is you can haul one bike and one trike on our 3265 rack. There is something else I want to point out to you that we had to do. That's slight modification. A lot of your folding bikes have this support piece down here. And if you set that directly on this mesh, when you're bouncing and going down the road, it's going to poke through the mesh. So you'd be better off to put something underneath that support piece, like a small piece of wood, just to give it some support. And what it does is it kind of distributes the weight of the bike in a larger area. We've got a piece of cardboard folded up there, but as you can see, that cardboard's probably not going to work so well. So you'll want to have something like a small board or a hard piece of plastic tucked underneath there just to distribute that weight so you don't damage your rack. But guys, there you go, right there. One bike, one trike, and it works for, you know, something small like the electric, these folding guys, right? Show you what it looks like over here on this end. Nothing dangling off the side too much. Nothing hanging over the side too much. You got a little overhang right here with this tire, and that is it.